Say it with me. Turn heads, break necks with ads that slay. Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all have been enjoying the videos so far. I've done videos about brand practices, brand story. So tell me about your own experience, what brand story you want, the kind of experience you want your clients to always have. Thank you. All right, so today's topic is something very interesting, and you will be shocked that this is actually a marketing strategy. Yeah. There was a day that I went to the movies and with some friends, and we got to the pay point. I wanted to pay for popcorn, and of course they always have small, medium, large, and it comes with a drink. Some days, if you go some days like Wednesday, Friday, they always have this package, medium size this with this, you know how it is. So I wanted to actually buy, should I say, I was hungry, but not very hungry. You know, popcorn is so light. So I wanted to pick the small one. And then they said the medium size is, the medium popcorn, together with the drink is 2,000 naira. The small popcorn with drink is 1,000 naira. And then there was a large one as well. That's the jumbo popcorn with a drink is 3,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. For me, it was like, I'm not hungry, but you know that kind of feeling where you're not hungry, but you know that this small popcorn is not going to be enough. So my friend and I were like, okay, you know what, let's just go for the medium popcorn because the price is okay, because we had the budget here, so the price is okay, and the medium should be fine with the normal size drink. So we went for the medium one. Now, by the time I got into the movie cinema and the movie finished, you know how popcorn used to finish so fast? The movie hasn't even started, and then you've already finished the popcorn and the drink. I don't know how that thing happens, but I think it's that whole delay where they're showing so many ads before the movie has even started, and you just want to dig in and enjoy yourself. Here's where I'm coming to. There's something called the Decoy Effect, and it's a marketing strategy that most brands and businesses use. It's actually a psychological thing, but I'm going to explain more, so keep watching. All right, so a decoy in the first place is just a bait or something created to lure you to take your attention from something else and make you focus on something else. It's just creating a replica of something already existing just to get some attention, right? Now, when I'm talking about the decoy effect, it's just a psychological marketing strategy that most brands use because they know how consumers think. So when you go to supermarkets, you probably see that you used to buy butter, a very big, the big size butter, for a certain amount, and then you may come back and you see that they've changed it to one small container, or probably the advertising now in a new, more, I don't know the kind of English that they use, but something like now in a newly improved pack. Meanwhile, there's nothing newly improved about the pack other than the fact that they've reduced the size of the original pack, so you think this is a new pack, and they probably charge the same, or they'll probably increase the price, and you're getting lesser quantity, but it's still the same butter. Now, sometimes you see other brands that they have big size, they have medium, they have small size. In all these things, these sizes are what we call the decoy. So the effect here is basically trying to create different sizes so that your attention shifts from one and focuses on the other. I used an example about the movie cinema and then the popcorn and the Coke scenario. So I'm going to use another example. Okay, so I'm going to use a restaurant I easily order food from sometimes, Chicken Republic, yeah? And like I said, everything I say here or any brand I mention here is strictly for just educational and research purposes. Nothing like brand awareness or advertising for any brand. Yeah, so when you go into Chicken Republic, for example, you will see that they probably have this small deal meal where it's just small rice, a piece of chicken, and Coke, a small Coke. And you see 2,000 naira. Then you probably see another package, the medium deal, where it's larger rice, 2 pieces of chicken, a medium-sized Coke for 3,000 naira. And then you will now finally see the large meal package. Same rice as the medium, that's the medium-sized rice, 2 pieces of chicken, probably salad in addition, and the medium-sized Coke. And that will probably be 3,500. The difference between the medium and the large is just 500 naira. So you'll be confused, like, it's just 500 naira difference now. Should I not go for the medium or should I not go for the large? Now, people have different perceptions. If you're the kind of person that likes salad, you probably buy the large meal because, I mean, you want salad. It's the same thing as a medium, but you're getting more value for your money. So I might as well just pay the 500 and get the large meal and enjoy myself than go for the medium. In this context here, the medium meal is the decoy created to distract your attention and make you want to buy the large one. I'm going to use another example. Let's come to services, companies that provide services, yeah? And you go to the website and you see something like basic plan, 2,000 naira. You see everything that comes with the basic plan. Then you see premium plan. You see everything that comes with the premium plan with some extra. And then you will see that they've introduced premium plus. And premium plus is 4,000 naira or even probably more. In this context here, if I look at the basic plan, definitely I know that the basic plan is not going to give me what I want. I look at the medium plan, I see that, okay, I'm getting much more packages, and then I'll look at the premium plus and I'll see that, okay, premium plus has the same thing as the medium, but with just a slight difference of, let's say, when your subscription is over, you're still able to have access to 1 or 2 videos or 1 or 2 things like that. Now, for me, I would probably say I'm going to go for the medium because what do I need the large for? If the subscription has expired, I know that it has expired. I don't need to start. I'm not sure I probably want to watch anything they want to stream because it might not even be something I enjoy watching or the kind of things I like to watch. In this context, the premium plus is the decoy created to divert your attention and so that you will look at that medium plan at the end of the day, or the premium plan at the end of the day instead of the premium plus, and definitely not the basic. So companies use this thing because they just feel like consumers have different interests and preferences, and they feel like, and they think that using this strategy, you would see that you will make sales from each of those sizes or each of those plans based on how people think, their perception about what you're offering. So I'm sure you're probably wondering, why would companies go through the stress of creating a much larger option just because they want to use the strategy, they want to divert your attention? I know that question probably coming to your head. So the thing is, the existence of a higher priced option will increase the value of the mid-price option. If you've seen something much higher, you will feel like, okay, I think I should just go for the medium one since it's relatively okay, it's within my budget, the size is okay, or the services I get is okay for me. So the essence of it, if I introduce something much higher, then people will now want to run for that cheaper one. Do you understand? It's the same way, even without the higher or the large product, for example. If it was just the small and the medium, most people will always want to easily buy the small. But when they see that, a large has come, I'm getting larger quantity, larger quality, but still better than the small and not as expensive as the large, most people will go for the medium one. It's important because people now get to see that the higher priced option has already made the mid one look relatively okay, look like, yes, this is what I should be going for. So a lot of people are going to be spending money buying the medium priced option. And there's some people that have this perception that the higher the price of something, the higher the quality. I have friends like that. Like when we go to the supermarket, they will just be like, no, this one that has higher price, it means the quality is better than the small one. The people like that, they like to go for premium. They like to go for better quality than the other ones that they feel is not as good as the one that has more pricing. Another thing is variety and customization. When you have different sizes of your products or your services, you have created options for people, you've created varieties for people. So different people with different mindsets and psychology will probably go for whichever one that they feel will work best for them. So at the end of the day, you're creating an opportunity where you can choose what you want based on what you can afford. Another thing is having a premium option can make a brand appear as a high premium brand. Most people would like to, there's some people that just like to associate themselves with premium brand, premium quality. So this just makes it, this just helps the company have certain segments of customers who just like the products because they are premium products or they're offering premium services when compared to other people that just offer basic services. The Decoy Effect is just using your mind, to create a scenario whereby you are filled or you are placed with options in front of you and you have to just choose one based on your preference or your need and your budget, of course. So how to use this strategy in your business? First things first, just have value proposition. Introduce a higher priced product or service to whatever services you've been offering before that, and then just make sure that that higher priced one has some enhanced features. So at the end of the day, most people would go through your services or go through your plans and choose the one that most of the time they always like to choose the one that will fit them. So try to make sure that when you've introduced that much higher one, the medium price one, which you want most people to buy, should still have some level of the services or features of the higher priced one, only that it's just much cheaper. Not like, I'm just trying to make it easier for you to understand, but basically, from the examples I've given, just have large, small, medium, and large. But just make sure that that medium one, try to package it in a way that you're getting part of the services or the size of the large one, but at a much more cheaper price. That way you are driving traffic for the medium. Not like you're not still going to make sales from the small or the large, only that the medium will most likely have more sales for you. So the decoys are the small and the large, and just focus on the medium. The next thing is make good use of limited time offers to create urgency. So there was a time that I wanted to subscribe for is this editing platform, and you have to pay if you wanted to get some of the templates for free monthly, and the price was quite high. So it was during Christmas period, and then I saw that they were having this limited time offer. Get this basic plan for this amount, get the medium for this amount, get the premium plan for this amount. So the medium plan had a whole lot of features that I remembered it to have, and then it had a time limit on it. After 2 days, after 3 days, then it goes back to the normal price. So if you notice, you see a lot of brands that do that kind of thing where they just put a time limit to it, and once that time elapses, then the price goes back. So try to make sure that you just add limited time offers together with discounts, so that way it creates urgency. You're able to make people make quicker decisions before the time elapses. Again, don't also forget visual elements in your ads that clearly showcase the difference between each of these plans. So if you're going to be using if you're going to be introducing the higher priced plan, or let's just say introducing medium and large plan, just make sure that your ads specifically showcase the difference between the medium plan, what it comes with, every single feature, so people get to see it, and the large one. It's very important so that people don't think or mistake the medium for the large or the large for the medium, and then they feel that you probably cheated them, or they did not get value for what they paid for. Remember to be transparent and ethical in your practices. The goal is to guide your consumers to make informed decisions, not to manipulate them. So make sure that you're straightforward, make sure that you're clear in the message that you're putting out there when you're introducing a new product or a new service that is much higher. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and watch out for those decoys. The next time you go to a supermarket or you go to the movies, or probably you just want to subscribe for a plan, do make sure that you watch out for the one that is a decoy. Make the right decision and enjoy the value for what you paid for. Thank you all once again. Now go find your asa. Take it from the media playboy.